Hi there, welcome to Makeup Munchies and More. Thanks for stopping by to check out this Dollarama haul. It has been almost a month since I've done a haul. I've been consciously trying to stay away, but I was sent to the store to pick up a birthday card for my parents to take to a party, and oh man, I got sucked in and I spent over $50. So I thought I would do this show and tell. I've got my huge Walmart bag full, so heavy, but, oh, and I just noticed my shirt is really wrinkled, so please excuse my slovenliness. But I wanted to show you first my favorite purchase of this weekend. I finally went to Michael's and used my 55% off coupon on a fuse tool. I am so excited. Now, this was the only one they had on the shelves, and it's kind of beaten up, but I checked the top enclosures, and they are still melted shut, so I thought it was pretty safe to pick up, and I am looking forward to using it and making some shaker cards. There's a stand. There's a cutting tool, which I'm not 100% sure what you do with that. I guess you just melt the plastic to cut it off rather than just seal an edge. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. I haven't opened it up yet. Yeah, stand, two tools, the actual unit, and then the little, what do you call it, the ruler stencil. I'm really excited to start making shaker cards, and I have a few little projects in mind. And, you know, if we end up doing a swap or something, you might find one of those goodies in your little package. So, again, super excited to finally have this. And let me just tell you what the price was. It was regular $41.99, but with the 55% off coupon, it came to $18.90. I also went to Walmart, and they don't really have, my Walmart is small, they don't really have a great selection of stickers or crafty items, things like that, but I did find these, and I'm looking forward to maybe trying to make something with them. This is Christmas related, this is not, but I bought it in mind for Christmas. So this is just a bunch of ribbons, some rickrack, little pom-pom trims. I think they'll be neat for Christmas projects and pocket letters. That was $4.97 Canadian. And then I also bought this piece of fabric. It's by Fabric Creations. It's called a Fat Quarter. It's a piece of fabric, 18 inches by 21 inches, and it's Christmas themed. They had a lot of Christmas themes, and I picked this one up. I thought maybe I could use it as a little backdrop for pictures or some videos when I use my phone, or I can cut them up. Let's actually open it up and see how big it is. There's little coffee mugs. Speaking of coffee mugs, I just did a collaboration with a friend of mine. Kay Duke is her channel. I will leave a link up here in the corner for you if you want to check it out. I show you all of my different mugs that I've collected, and this just reminded me of that, so hopefully you'll go take a look. How cute are these? We've got the deer represented with the Christmas tree antlers. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, ornaments. It's just such a pretty pattern. I'll iron it out and it will make a nice little backdrop, I think. So that is an option if you guys are wondering what Walmart has. I can't believe I'm preparing for Christmas. I'm kind of excited, kind of annoyed that it's coming up. I don't want the warm weather to end, but I love Christmas. All right, so let's plug along with my Dollarama haul. And I'm going to bring this up here and let's see if this works for me. And in no particular order, this, I actually watched Tina Kazarian's video just before I went out, and I saw this in her video, but I didn't really, love it. It didn't make me want to go out and buy it. But when I saw it in person, I had to have it because it's really cute. It's $3, and it's this little pair of owls just perched on their branch. And we've got some dangly mushrooms and dangly maple leaves. I think it's so sweet. I plan on hanging this on my mailbox outside. think it's so cute. I might add some gems or different beads to zhuzh it up a little bit. That's my favorite word, zhuzh it up. Let me get rid of these just everyday items. I bought a Comet. I like to clean the bathtub and the sinks with this, so I get this large 680 grams for $3. I just finished my Bath & Body Works body washes, and I don't want to go and pay an arm and a leg for those, so I thought I would try this. It is the Tone Radiant Glow with vitamin E, and this is what got me. It's called Diamond Dust and Lotus Blossom, and then it has the words Radiant Glow, so I assumed that it would be shimmery. I don't think it is. It smells really nice though. I can't describe the flavor. It's kind of like a candied floral scent, and it says it's an illuminating body wash, but we shall see. So I'm planning on bringing back my empties videos, so I'll be able to tell you what I thought of that in the future. I also grabbed a container of Pro Auto Protectant wipes. I recently detailed my car by myself. It looks amazing, and I want to keep it that way. And these are really handy just to throw in the glove compartment. $2 for 25 wipes, which is fine. I think I'll go through maybe 2 wipes a season. I also finished my Dollar Tree shampoo and conditioners that I've been hauling. I do have a few bottles of shampoo that I had bought previous to starting the Dollar Tree shampoo binge. So I have a lot of shampoos, but I did run out of conditioner, and I thought I would try this Schwarzkopf Got to Be Oilicious Triple Oil Conditioner. And again, just like this illuminating body wash, I bought this because it says golden shimmer. I just want to shine bright like a diamond, I guess. The scent is not very strong. I'll let you know what this is like in a future empties video. I picked up a big bottle of Sunny D because it is an orange mango blend, 2 of my favorite flavors, and I wanted to try it out. And I was checking to see how much this is because the smaller bottle is $1.25 at Dollar Tree, and I wanted to compare. But I'm looking at my receipt, and I think she forgot to charge me for this, which is a bonus. But now I don't know how much it is. I don't know if it's a good value. But for me today, this was free. This is a new item that I saw. It is Top Taste Crispy Fried Onions. It's $1 for 100 grams. It's a product of the Netherlands, and it doesn't have any additives or anything. It's onions, palm oil, flour, and salt. I love crispy fried onions. I put them like on anything, in soups, on hamburgers, just whatever I want to add a bit of onion flavor. And I hope these are good. This is something I've never seen before. It is the Secret Invisible Spray deodorant, but it's in grapefruit flavor. And I love flavor. I keep saying flavor. It's grapefruit scented. And I love citrus and grapefruit. And this was $3, I think. Oh, this is $4. So I'm pretty sure you can get it cheaper at Walmart or with a coupon or something. But I had never seen grapefruit before at Walmart either. And I wanted to try it out. I had to get some Maltesers. I was craving it, and I got myself a little package. They're much better than Whoppers. Whoppers are a bit hard. These really just melt in your mouth. So good. These are a pair of Bic permanent markers in silver and gold metallic. That's the perfect duo for Christmas coming up and writing Christmas cards. They're fine tip, so that is perfect for writing. These are yoga socks. I saw the toes, and usually toe socks make me laugh. I can't believe anybody would wear them, but these are actual yoga socks, which is brilliant, so you don't slip when you're doing all your poses. And I used to go to yoga ages ago, and I stopped, but now with YouTube, there are a lot of great yoga channels, and I've put together a playlist for myself, and I really want to start yoga and Pilates, actually. So these are going to come in very handy. $4, which is not bad. They have a lot of great fitness-related items. They have kettlebells at Dollarama, all sorts of stuff. And speaking of neat things, I have two things to show you here that I thought were great. I thought you should see them, but I just didn't have a place for them in my home, so I didn't buy them. The first is this really neat chalkboard. It says Bon Appetit. It looks like a cutting board, and at the bottom you'll see there are hooks. So it's perfect for your kitchen, for menus and things. I just created something in the same vein as this in a DIY collaboration. I will link that for you up above. It is a chalkboard. You could use it in your kitchen, similar to this item. But I really like the rustic look, the kind of farmhouse feel to this. I just didn't need it in my home, like I said. But it's $4. It was amazing quality, and I think it would be a great thing for a Christmas gift. And then, look at these. They're photo clip lights. So it's string lights with little clothespins made out of plastic. They had different colors, white, blue, pink. And you just clip your photos or whatever you want to them, and they shine. They're 15 feet and battery operated, made by Crafts. They're just so pretty. Again, great gifts, like Secret Santa gifts, perfect. So snatch them up now if you can. Back to our regularly scheduled haul. If you watch my channel, at the beginning of the summer, I hauled a Canadian flag fan. And I took that fan to my cousin's wedding because she got married on like the hottest day of the year. And I was using it and somebody stole it. You know, it got passed around and somebody forgot to give it back to me. So I needed a new fan. I found that these are great for when I'm doing my makeup and I put on my finishing spray. I fan myself to dry it quickly. So it's got a purpose all year round. So I don't know what this looks like. Let's open it up. Oh, it's cute. It's small. It's smaller than my Dollar Tree one, which was a better value at $1.25. This is $2, but it's pretty and it serves its purpose, and it has a little carrying case, so that's all right. I know I'm going to get a lot of use out of this. And this is another thing. Oh, actually, this is a better deal than I thought. I was going to say you can get this for $1.25 at Dollar Tree, but hey, it's only $1 at Dollarama, so it's even a better buy than Dollar Tree. Technically, I'm middle-aged, but I like to wear these when I wash my face in the morning. It just brings me back to my youth. I wish we had these when we were kids. Well, no, I was even too old for that Britney Spears pom-pom in your pigtail phase. Yeah, we didn't have fun things like these. Except banana clips. Ugh, those things are ugly. So yeah, I am wearing one now, but the fabric unraveled and the metal is scratchy. So I just bought myself a new one. It's in a little leopard pattern. What else? I'll leave the crafty stuff for the end. I found this Tech One smartphone ring. It's $2.50. And it comes with a ring and actually a hook that you can stick to your dashboard, and then the ring slips over it and secures the phone. Now, I don't need the ring, but it's good to have an extra one. I already have one that I bought in a little Japanese accessory store. Not Daiso. I'm waiting for Daiso to come to Canada. So I have the ring. I basically bought this for the mounting hook. I want to see if it works with mine. If not, I will change it out for this one. But I think that's a great way to secure your phone when you're driving, because the vent holders don't work for my car. It's got different vents. So that is neat. $2.50. Again, great Christmas gift. I found some nail stickers. These are the Kiss brand. Peel off. Oh, peel off removal. That's great. It's a French manicure, but with glitter. How cute is that? Now, I don't know if you've noticed, but for the past at least 2 months, I haven't been doing my nails, and I am loving my natural nails right now. I finally got rid of the discoloration from painting them all the time. And the false nails, although they're so convenient and pretty, I can't really get them off without damaging the nail from the glue. So I think my preference now is stickers, and these are great. Oh, it says there's 40 gel strips in here. That's a lot, and in 2 different ways to wear them. And they're called disco lights. I love that name. I didn't notice that until now. They're $2.50, which is not bad. Not a bad price at all. Kiss is a good brand. The rest of these items are for crafting. Let's start off with these. These are just some thank you notes. Green is my favorite color, and I thought it was kind of plain enough that I can embellish it with little stickers and stuff. So I grabbed a pack of those. Those are only $1.25 for 8 cards and envelopes. These were new to my store. They're the swing line staples, but in different colors. So there's teal, purple, red, green, and blue. Again, perfect for Christmas. And I think it's Pop Fizz Paper, who I've been watching recently. She actually staples her pocket letter cards and with different colors. She has a mini stapler, I don't. But I thought these would be neat for Christmas pocket letters. Just extra little embellishments. So those were $2.50. You get 2,000 staples in there. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these yet. It's made by the Studio brand. They are little self-laminating sheets, $1.25. You get 8 in here, and they're perfect for business cards and membership cards, it says. But I'm thinking of maybe, I don't know, I want to do something maybe with sequins. Maybe I'll figure something out to do with these. I don't know. I bought them on a whim. They were on a strip at an end cap, and $1.25. Thought I'd take a chance on them. I picked up some craft envelopes, 10 for $1.25. I got some more sequins, bold colors. I have black and white and clear and yellow and pastels, but I needed some more bold colors. Again, I'm thinking Christmas. I think I'm going to start making Christmas pocket letters now in August. This was a neat little trim. It's holographic vine or leaves. How cute are those? What shall I do with them? I don't know. $1.50 for 2 meters. Okay, my final 4 items. I don't know what to do with my fuse tool. I don't know what to use in order to make shaker cards. I do have the pocket letter pages, for sports cards, but I find that the plastic is very flimsy, so I didn't know how nice they would look. So I thought I would pick up these organizer sheets. They are the heavyweight sheets, so they're not as flimsy. And I thought I could use these to try out my ideas with my new fuse tool. We'll see what happens. If not, I can always use them for something else or give some to my nephew for school. And then these 3 items are my favorite finds. I picked up 2 of these. They are so cute. They are new craft stickers that say handmade with love. 2 different varieties here. And you get 40 pieces in each package, and they're only $1. Hello, can you say making out like a bandit? These are a great value. And now that I've started Happy Mail and pocket letters, these are wonderful things to have on hand to put on the back. Maybe I'll sign my name through them. Maybe I'll give some out. I don't know. But these are awesome. I love these. And then I thought these were, for lack of a better adjective, these are super neat. They're like Scrabble tiles, but stickers. You get everything, and you get numbers and punctuation. Just perfect. How many? There's 272 pieces in here for, ooh, there's no price. What's the price? I just remembered I went to 2 different Dollaramas yesterday, so I had a different receipt. So the Sunny D that I showed you previously was only $1.25. So that was almost double the size as the one you can get at Dollar Tree. So if you're looking for Sunny Delight, get it from Dollarama. It's a better value. And these stickers were only $1.25. That's amazing. You should feel how heavy they are. And it's Sticko brand. That's a pretty good brand. That is the end of this haul. My bag is empty. Please let me know if you have any opinions or any reviews on anything that I've bought. And in the meantime, I hope you have a great day. Happy long weekend to anybody in Canada that is celebrating. And I'll talk to you in my next video. Ciao for now.